Hey friends, if you wish to disable font smoothing in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now font smoothing is something which is enabled by default, though people like this fonts, a lot of them, but this option is enabled by default just because it is more aesthetically viable. So search for the word performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. And then here's something called as smooth edges of screen fonts. Uncheck this. Okay. And when you uncheck this, click on apply, then click on OK, and it will fix the issue. And now all of these fonts will be crisp. I mean the system fonts and all. Okay, all of these will be crisp. You will notice a slight difference. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.